start with Hamad Wasim, no surprise. He did it yesterday and is renowned for it in T20.
Wide, not a great delivery. They're off the mark, Bangladesh.
First one of the wood, and Tamim is underway with a couple. Oh, that is a bit of zip. Here's a nick. Outside edge. First one down early. Celebration time for the league, and he's come out at first drop.
2 slips down. Good carry. I like it. Wicket with the new ball. Second delivery with the angle, nipped back, and then after pitching, held his line. That's what you call seam. Beautifully bowled. Anybody could have nicked that delivery. Big edge too.
Yeah, just closing the face a fraction, just enough. And only had to move just enough. And you only have to dance. Oh, it's a lovely length. It's a beauty. There you go. Wasim Akram right on cue. He's fatted this one as Mahedi Hassan. First maximum in match number 2 here.
What a brilliant shot. Slightly fuller delivery and middle leg. Asking for trouble, he middled it to perfection. Look at that, it was a big 82 meters. Huge hit. It's a big ground here in Lahore.
Oh yeah, don't want to get in there. And it is a super quick outfield here at Qadafi. Another boundary, this time to Min.
11 runs on the over already. Not a great delivery again. Middle leg to the left-hander. You don't have a fielder at square leg behind umpire for sweep. So he asked him for trouble. He's an experienced player, experienced bowler, Hamad Wasim. Single.
He tries to see how much bounce is in the pitch. Is it Hassan out there, Hassan Ali? Yeah, similar to yesterday actually. We tried to field one there and couldn't. Oh, he decides to go short, straight up. Right up the chimney, real easy one here for Rizwan. Second one down straight away.
Let's have a look. Banged it in, banged it short, and going away from Mehdi. And obviously did middle and top edge, easy catch, Rizwan. And Hassan is excited, he's got his first wicket, an important one too. In-form batsman departs for 9, Mehdi Hassan, and Bangladesh 22 for 2 now.
Out in the middle, he only got to a dozen. Couldn't convert and go on. So unfortunately, yeah, he was run out. One of the run outs at the top. He hit a couple of boundaries basic and got out.
Slip in place now, and rightly so. Fine leg up in the circle.
Just look how quick it gets down there to third man.
It was a wicket of Mehdi. And that's the right height as well, outside off stump, and just above shoulder height, and that's where the batsman will have a go. Most of the time he'll get the top edge. That was quick delivery, no fielder there. The ball will race away to the boundary. You got
teams sliding on, but of course with the left-hander, Tamim on strike, line too straight and off target. Good stuff. Thought about a single, but the fielding has been good here yesterday, and it's still a good standard. We've had 5.
Beautifully timed. What a good shot that is. Used the pace extremely well. Take this right till the end for Bangladesh. Have a look at the timing, the sliced angle of the blade doing the job, and balance was good. Balance on the front foot in slicing the ball past that point fielder. they've got to do this regularly. Rotating the strike is the key to build pressure and momentum. Shot beautifully played. Left-hander's elegance is personified.
Oh, he's given that one.
Offside a little. He's bending low, hit him on the flap of the pad. No inside edge, so hit the pad, and ball tracking really will confirm the fact where it pitched within, would have gone on to hit part of the leg stump, so it'll stay as umpire's call. Marginal, but given.
Well, sticks with the umpire's call. Very, very marginal, like we saw. There you see the signal on screen as well. Pakistan making inroads into the top order here.
Eight overs completed, 41 for the loss of 3. After the first ball though. First ball of the over is a dot from Shadab. Let's go down to Danny Morrison.
Nowadays, so it's possible, you know, but strange to see it here in Pakistan. You know, it's been quite good so far.
How often have you been to this part of the world?
This is my...
Go back upstairs because I think we've got a little run-out call, have we?
They'll come back.
But still will get a green light. Over to you, Danny.
60 today. I will give myself a better chance.
Oh, OG got to go here. I think it's gone all the way, has it? We've had the 50 come up previously. Here's a maximum. Gentlemen.
Middle of the bat. Beats him all, ends up. Keeper is excited. Shadab says, out or not out?
This time he goes down the wicket and he connects well. And it has been taken outside the ground. That's a maximum from the bat of the
Effort by this youngster. The ball boy. Call is for 2. They're going to settle for 1 here, maybe 2 now.
They're coming round the wicket. He cuts that angle. He's trying to flick it away. It's off. Oh, that must have slipped out of the hand. It has to be a no ball, and it is looks like it's going to be a free hit also above the waistline. Yep. Short ball. He's not put that away. He's got away with that. Only a single. Not a bad one off a free hit for Pakistan. Shy at the stumps, direct hit. I reckon he's okay. Yeah, he's absolutely fine. He's absolutely fine. Get on with the game.
Big appeal, he went across. It's all happening here. Oh, good effort by Mahad Wasim, backing it up. He's given the out. He looked close. He looked out to me as well. Involved as well.
Yeah, I reckon it's hitting probably very close to the off stump. Well, certainly no question of height here. Initially, to the naked eye, I thought it might have hit him above the rolls. Out to the leg stump. There you go. Review retained. That's a good review taken from Tamim. That was perhaps the only other option in favor of the batsman. Had it pitched outside the leg stump. Yep, he needs to reverse it. He bats on. Pick is outside edge, straight into the hands, gone.
He's got his 2nd wicket. Good over so far.
And Shadab is into it again. And it's a boundary. Perfect timing for Shamim Chowdhury.
The career. Well, it's evident that he's trying to get a move on.
It might be a freebie because it is above the waist high. We'll just have a look at Hassan Raza. Just wants to check this.
Short and has been pulled away, and it's going to go to the boundary. So
Oh, what happened there? Lost it. Going full again. And unfortunately for the bowler, it's gone for 4. Yeah, can't bowl there. Seen this happen in the Bangladesh Premier League on a few occasions. Really poor piece of running from a very experienced man.
Yeah, this is the...
And that is out. Yeah.
He's gone for it, gets an inside part of the bat, and it slithers away for a very, very...
Last ball. Flashing blade, nice. Really nice way to finish things. A boundary, the last ball of the innings, allows Bangladesh to get to 136 for 6 here.
What the Pakistani bowlers have done,
Bangladesh, they'll be a little frustrated and disappointed. They could only muster 136 for 6. Stand out there, Tamim Iqbal with that half century. Nothing else much to write home about. And in contrast, the bowlers, 7 of them used, and it's the usual suspects in terms of getting them.
He picks it up in the charge.
Hassan Ali. Captain will be pleased about that because he got out for a duck here yesterday, and he's underway straight away. Oh, that's very friendly to say, look, I like you, Bubba. Oh, hello. Geez, that is crisp for no run. Oh, and he's gone ambitious. Muhammadullah should be and is. Very.
And he goes for 0.
Nice bit of footwork from the old boy. And Hafiz will please him. Oh, it's in the air for some time, but he's timed it well enough as the professor. Here's another boundary. Showing my age. And showing some class here is Babar Azam. He says, Hafiz, more wrist work and more runs. Oh, good hustle from those old legs.
Starts with a ball down the leg side. You always feel that when a new bowler comes in, he's got to be spot on target. Nothing loose. Again, a looseness start with.
Straight to the boundary. No need to run for those. He's on fire.
Mehdi Hassan, right arm off spinner, back in the attack. He'll be finishing off his full quota of 4 overs. 3.1, none for 23 now. Again on a shorter side. Not been very good with the ball, have they?
He doesn't turn the ball at all. He bowls so quick, and of course 50 partnership up.
Going on to the pad, he slapped it away for the single.
He's not very special so far in this game, and I think but the way they batted, they looked off color today. Bangladesh side, they played much better yesterday.
In 2 batters.
That's so frustrating, I can imagine, for Bangladesh. You know, the think tank, of course, the team as well. You made. Nicely played with the spin, another single.
That's a poor delivery to finish the over. Short, wide, gets the treatment. 1 bounce over to the fence.
That's beautifully timed. Really well timed by Hafiz. That's good enough edge. Earns him a 4. Hafiz into the 40s as well.
It's uppish, but it's safe, and it's struck pretty well too.
Taps it for a run. Gets to 50, Hafiz. He's been a lot more fluent in this knock compared to his last one. The dugout is happy. Such a good shot. Wrist work through the offside and timing there as well. Well fielded in the deep. 2 runs to Babar Azam. He makes look. Oh, that's the smash. Gone. 6. Class field. Babar Azam.
Exceptional shot.
Guides it away for a run. The crowd will cheer. Another 50 from Babar Azam. 13th in it. He's a classic.
He sure is, and it's made the crowd here at the Qadafi Stadium very happy.
And that's gone up in the air. Has it gone all the way? Top edged it for a 6. Has he?
Arif has been thrashed down to a vacant third man. Wonderful wrist work. And there it is, the crowd let you know that it is all over here at Qadafi, and the series has been won with wonder play here from the home side.
No problem whatsoever for this Pakistan side against the Bangladesh. Winning this series easily, 2-0 up. Comfortable win, 137 for 1 in 16 points.
And Hafiz with the half century, 66 to the skipper and 67 to the old gun Mohammad Hafiz. They got to the target of 137 for 1 in 16.4 overs. Bowling, they needed to get wickets up front, they couldn't, and really that was the problem for the Bangladesh Tigers. The only successful bowler there, Shafaqul Islam, 1 for 27. Man of the match was the skipper with his lovely innings compiled there, 66 not out of 44, 7 fours and 1 6 was the standout of the second T20 Indonesia.